Alright, in this video, I'm going to attempt to give you one of the best performing crypto coins of 2025. This coin is going to do incredibly. It's going to go to the stratosphere. It's not a small cap, and I really think it's going to make a Solana type move. And it's not XRP. Even though we will talk about XRP, I'm also going to talk to you about another coin I'm going to give you later on in this video. But the coin I'm going to talk about, I'm extremely bullish on it. I think it's going to do very well. So make sure you pay attention because we're starting right now.
Hey guys, I'm Brick Fans. Remember, Paul is not a financial advisor, but he is good looking. Also, this is not financial advice. Please subscribe down below and check out my channel at Brick Fans.
Hey, welcome back. My name is Paul. If it's your first time here, this channel is all about crypto, all about cryptopreneurship. And in this video, I'm going to talk about what I believe is going to be one of the best crypto coins for 2025 and beyond. I believe this coin is going to do well even in the next bull market and beyond that. And no, I'm not talking about XRP, even though, to be fair, XRP's price action is quite promising. So let's start with that real quick, because I want to be unbiased. Now, as you know, I don't particularly like XRP, especially the XRP influencers, because they're complete liars. But if you look at the XRP price over here, it looks like it's finding support here at the $2 level. And if you look at the all-time chart, you will see as soon as we broke up after 70 cents, we shot up all the way to $2.55. And if you watch my videos for over 3 years telling you to get out of XRP or stay out of XRP until it breaks 72 cents and to buy from 72 cents to $1, even though it's buying higher, now you see why that made perfect sense. If you held before that, you weren't really doing anything. You missed an entire bull market in most of this one, but as soon as it broke 72 cents, if you bought up to that dollar, you've made massive profits here. So this was our buying range over here. We didn't miss the whole bull market in half of this one. Got in from 70 cents to $1, made this move all the way here to the previous highs, which we called. We took profits on the way up, and now XRP is finding support above this breakout, which is actually very bullish. It could come down back here to the 1.64 cent level or so, but I still believe that this is probably going to break its all-time highs, and once it does, and let's call it 250 psychological, once it does, it should re-challenge its all-time highs, break them, and go to about $4 to $7 by the end of this bull market. Maybe it gets to $10, but I do believe $4 to $7 is a price for XRP. So if you got in at 72 cents to $1, you are in profits. Make sure you take profits. I don't mean exit all positions if you don't want to, but make sure you take profits so you don't get wrecked by XRP in this bull market. Again. Now, let's talk about which coin I believe is going to do great this bull market and even the next, and may even complete a Solana type move. What do I mean by a Solana type move? I think it's going to go to the $150 to the $180 mark, and if it breaks that, we're looking at a $200, $250 Solana. If you remember, we called Solana at $2. It went all the way to $250. We took profits at that level. Most people were getting out at $70. We were telling you to hold, and we got back in at $8.5 to $10 in this bull market and made massive profits since. And I do believe that SUI can actually do this. Now, it's currently sitting at $4.3 on the all-time chart here. As you can see, we told you to get in under $2, just like we did with Solana. I think SUI, we called it a bit under $2, but at $2, I was making a lot of videos. And as you can see, as soon as it broke up, we actually went all the way to $4.8 and now currently making support at 4.3. Let's just go to the yearly to get a little bit more clarity. This was the previous resistance, broke $2, went all the way up to 4.3. As a matter of fact, I remember now, I was calling SUI before $2 and I was saying it needs to break $2 and it will fly, and that's what it's doing right now. Go back to the all-time charts, you can see it's about 150%. This can go up a lot more. This can keep on going up. It's pretty much in blue sky breakout and price discovery right now. I wouldn't be surprised if we see a $10, $20, even $50 SUI by the end of this bull market, and we may even see bigger numbers than that in this bull market or the next. I know it sounds crazy and I might be wrong about this, so do take this with a grain of salt. and make sure you take profits. Don't do anything stupid like not taking profits here. But I'm just saying that SUI has the potential to be the next Solana, not taking its place, but taking market share and making that sky high move. Now, it's not just SUI that's going to do well this bull market. There is another coin. I'm going to give it to you in just 1 second. Yes, in this video. So make sure you keep watching. But if you want to go a little high risk, a lot of people are not talking about this coin I'm going to tell you right now. And because they're not making any money from it. So let me show you a coin that can also do very well other than SUI, and maybe can even make more profits than SUI in the short term. And that is Cal Protocol, that's currently sitting at $1.06 right now. And let's talk a little bit about Cal Protocol and why I believe this is extremely bullish. Let me show you something here. So Cal Protocol is essentially Uniswap on steroids, but it does so much more. Now, I'm not going to talk about the AMM and the MEV blocker in this video, but I want to talk to you a little bit about the swap function. See, ever since I started using this, I've been using it all the time. Essentially, it's just like Uniswap, but the way it finds the best price, first of all, it's fast, it's effective, it works perfectly. It even goes moo whenever you make a trade, and then when a trade comes through, it goes moo, and it's actually quite fun. But the most important, the best thing about Cal Protocol is that it just finds the best price and rewards you so you get more for your buck, so to speak, if that makes sense. And Cal Protocol does have its own token here. And basically you connect it just like you would with Uniswap, with your MetaMask wallet, Phantom, or whatever you use here, and then make your swaps. But the thing is, with everything that's going on with sexes right now, and I'm not talking about the sexual act, I'm talking about centralized exchanges, DEXs are coming in use this year. You hear now in Europe that they don't want to allow USDT for centralized exchanges. A lot of exchanges are delisting it because you need licenses and regulations and so on. People are gonna use DEXs more and more. And a lot of coins, for you to get in, you can only get in on them at a DEX. The problem is the fees, which CowSwap is actually resolving. There's zero fees, even when you use Ethereum. Now, I have made a video about it. I'll leave it linked up here, but also in the description down below. But let's talk about the price here real quick. So as you can see, as soon as we broke certain resistances in CowSwap, we shot up in price. And I've been making videos telling you to get in as we broke highs over highs over highs. We broke this last high over here, which we're now making support at around $1. And I do believe this is gonna come up and break $1.20. And once that happens, this can go to $4, $5, or even beyond that, whilst it's taking market share from Uniswap. And as more people actually use this and see how it works, more people are gonna get in. Why don't you hear other YouTubers talking about this, except maybe some tutorials because they're done by the company or in collaboration with the company? Well, it's very simple. There's no affiliate program just of yet, and they're not paying any KOLs that I know of. So you're not hearing about this, but look at the price action. This is actually quite amazing. Go to the all-time chart and look, it was at 80 cents. It broke this high all the way back here, made support over $1. I do think that this can continue going up and doing very, very well. So make sure you check out CowSwap. It's very powerful. I have a big position in CowSwap, and make sure you check out SUI. SUI, I believe, is going to do a Solana type move. There's lots of things going on behind the scenes. They actually just opened up offices in Athens, Greece. There's so much going on with SUI. I'm extremely bullish. And if you're in XRP, make sure you take profits before you get burnt. I'm not talking about now, $4 to $7. If we get there, take profits. Don't leave money on the table. And if you want to get into some high risk degen coins, then make sure you watch this video right here. This video right here can give you coins of 20, 30, even 50x. So make sure you don't miss that, and I will see you in the next video.